Good afternoon. We are Group 2 and our vlog is on the selection of food packaging materials. Firstly, it is important to protect our food items from the various factors as shown. These factors can damage the quality of food in which we ingest. There are multiple guidelines set by SFA that has to be fulfilled for packaging to be safe. It is also important to choose the right packaging for different food items. For example, using vacuum-packed PVC to pack meat and plastic wrappers to pack bread. This ensures that we consume food items that are at its optimal freshness and that it is safe. However, the impacts of improper choice of packaging can lead to health concerns. This is because chemical materials used in packagings can leach into our food we eat, which can result in health complications if consumed in large quantities.
Moving on to the commonly used materials in food packaging. Different materials are used for different kinds of food packaging accordingly, depending on the content it contains, the sustainability, as well as the durability. These materials can be seen everywhere in our daily lives, so they can be easily accessible, such as plastic, metals, ceramics, and wood. Here are some classifications and examples of the different materials used. For plastics, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene, and polypropylene are the most commonly used ones as general food packaging, such as plastic containers and plastic bottles. Commonly used metals will be steel, tin, and aluminium, which are used for canned food and drinks. As for ceramics, glass and porcelain are mainly used for wine and alcohol bottles, as well as bottles for sauces and condiments. Lastly, for wood, paper, cardboard, wooden crates, and boxes are commonly used for packagings, fruits carton, and lastly, paper bags.
Now we shall talk about material properties that are important when it comes to material selection for food packaging. To start off, moisture resistance ensures that food quality will not be compromised due to exposure to moisture. Corrosion resistance is also important to ensure that food will not be contaminated due to corrosion in food packaging that leads to dissolution. Similarly, chemical resistance also ensures that chemicals from the food packaging does not leach into foods and drinks. Lastly, as climate change is gaining its relevance, it is important that food packaging is sustainable to ensure a lower carbon footprint and reduce harmful emission, especially when it comes to the manufacturing process. Other factors to consider is its cost and durability. Low costs are appealing from a business standpoint as it allows better profitability, which is important when it comes to commercialization. Durability allows food to be protected from damage, spillage, and contamination to ensure that food quality is not being compromised.
Thank you, Emily. I am Yuhan, and I will be discussing about the analysis of the different food packaging materials. First, let us talk about plastics. Plastics are lightweight, versatile, and moisture resistant, making it ideal for a wide range of foods. However, it has environmental concerns due to non-biodegradability and it is potentially prone to chemical leaching. Next, metals are durable and provide excellent oxidation and moisture resistance, commonly used for canned food. However, it is heavy, expensive, and energy-intensive to recycle. Next, ceramics such as glass are inert and safe for long-term storage, provides excellent sealing but is heavy, fragile, and costly to produce. They are often used for products where preservation and purity are key. Next, wood are natural and sustainable with an aesthetic appeal. It is usually used for premium food like wine or cheese. However, its bulk and lack of moisture resistance limit broader use. Lastly, paper and cardboard are eco-friendly, biodegradable, recyclable, and is suitable for dry food. However, it lacks moisture resistance and durability, limiting its use. This slide summarizes the advantages and disadvantages of each material type. In conclusion, the selection of the right packaging is crucial for food safety, preservation, and sustainability. A one-size-fits-all solution does not exist, and the selection is dependent on food type, storage needs, and environmental considerations. The selection of packaging materials should balance durability, sustainability, and cost-effectiveness for the future of food packaging. With that, we have come to the end of this short presentation. Thank you for your kind and undivided attention.